Mete say eye Annoh Dompre eka say omako asantimemu mako nwuremu o ena omokoye campaign akire NPP fo bi enya asantifo nyina because asantifo ni binom the NPP echi still ebi more mental problem ena Annoh Dompre or a member of parliament or say or no Mr. P, can you get me the video or the caption, the story? Annoh Dompre or a member of parliament, you know. Or say on wakwa santimemu na the campaign or koye about koko no a flop, you know. Afi the new strategy or can say or say NDC for air threaten no. Say adentina oko asantimemu. What was obia MPP nyako asantimemu obia stop it da. Adentina on wakwa asantimemu so koye jandam. Na ekrobi anke ye serious anke say the CID boss no or say anke to ne safre Annoh Dompre na anke Annoh Dompre be kire hwan a threat no was it in person, was it through a text message, was it through phone call or my hu be a threat ni free send ye be ya ye betumi abon ho ban kwasia we must a member of parliament ye jimintra wakwa santimemu koye campaign afa koko hu e mana blast egu nenim. Nobody is taking them serious. Madam Patricia PJ, ne tu dwene, oche ofui. Mami penyini abrewa poso, obubon tumano da shire nufu ase. No de inkutu for the nufu, na nkora shire nufu e parliament. Amako jina santimemu se omako koko campaign. Annoh Dompre ka kire se amam for threaten no. NDC for threaten no. The CID boss should call Annoh Dompre and ask Annoh Dompre that we need to protect every single person, especially a member of parliament. Until Annoh Dompre should come and tell us. He should come to the CID and tell the CID, say, in fact, I'm almost certain, almost sending a text message. These are the text messages. And those people are supposed to be picked up. And I say, I'm a friend, I'm the phone call. Through phone call, I'm the threaten. And I say, we'll be shared in person. You see, the guy is causing some fear and panic in the system as a member of parliament. I will say, stop it, this kind of nonsense. San kwasi adena yes so organa na ye di omatama musi ye muade ye di omatama yesi wenyini ye di omatama yesi kwasi ampe bi o parliament ti yen kanasem. Now you as a member of parliament say obi a certain what do you do? Say nya diabolic politics any jimi na nipa na ebia wukoshi omo na hu so madwene wo forma. What do you do as a member of parliament if somebody is threatening you? Say oh ye bibi, what do you do? Now you come and stand in the bush and tell Ghanaians say yes, NDC for threaten me. Say ma member koko asini koko for mekasa. Why na air call krom I stop pressing mani call krom. It means that Annoh Dompre statement it was a lie. These people have no credibility, they have no intelligence, they deserve no respect from even a dead dog. Because you see, they don't respect the Ghanaian. They think say Ghana for nyina ejimi to such a to me. They think say nyina your life a boy wants to say abronya ya say abe beati. Until they just speak anyhow. There's nothing honorable about this daft, foolish, irresponsible idiot calling themselves members of parliament representing the NPP in parliament. And ka obijen jain ebejina can say, oh, people are threatening me. And ka the same foolish, silly Annoh Dompre or Wa Onje. A silly boy like that. A silly fool like that. And Komabejina Parliament say the person should go to the police and make sure the police arrest the person who is threatening him. But this fool and the Ojina Koko saying kwase some can muntie no.
And I me pay NDC former starting sending messages. When jadi omu ya na edokumu, when jadi omu ya enu betre amenu. And I say ye njai enne njai ochira. Na no enro e kotepa. Ye course ye ko shape ya for. Former starting sending messages. When jadi omu ya na edokumu, when jadi omu ya enu betre amenu. And I say ye njai enne njai ochira. Now enro e kotepa. NDC former starting sending messages. When jadi omu ya na edokumu, when jadi omu ya enu betre amenu. And I say ye njai enne njai ochira.
You see, he was emphatic. Ose ono oba santimemu be ye koko campaign no. NDC for sending message threatening say omo njai be ku omo. A member of parliament. Kwasia way then I'll come and sit here. And because I am dumb and stupid, I don't know me left from my right nti me se kwasia we people should follow him okogina Ghana baby ka kire Ghana fo ni bi omo ye Ghana for say NPP NDC for person kunu almost send it messages so omo be ku omo. How do you just walk away like that without the CID boss calling this guy to come and tell Ghana for who said they will kill you in the NDC? Why no what NDC mo almost threatening also mo bekum because uko inkurasifo ho akok dada omo. Who in the NDC? And you see, this is how we allow politicians to get away with murder. As someone can Libya because you cannot put a whole political party in power under the spotlight without having evidence to what you are saying. Or can somewhere Afghanistan and Kobia Bonitimutu a baby to for her and Kobia Kunato actually because what you are trying to do, you are trying to incite people against anybody who is an NDC person in that community. Inti sankofo na ojina wonim ekeka sansam ne kire omo no omo pie na so mo hu so bi she NDC shelter, they can just attack the person and kill him. All because wo Annoh Dompre kwase a wo awonje no, you have told them say the NDC people want to kill you and kill the foolish people who followed you to that forest. And I sometimes ask myself say e kroni team no nti nyansa fo wo biem. Politics in team penifo nyina dane moa. People cannot reason and speak out again. How did our politics come this low? How did we get here? How did we lower politics? Reckless statement, stupid statement without thinking about anything. Kwasia we adiachia no aworo ne tokanka kujina parliament say me shemra magana fo. Asemo gina wure mu okan ye e kire sankofo mugui sanka NDC bi twem e na ohye NDC sheta obema obi akoku obi kwa efri say Annoh Dompre se mo MPP NDC for mo pese mo kuye MPP for. This is how a whole country collapses under our very eyes. So why should we be sitting here and making look like say MPP lose power nti e o say kro ni say e kro papa bia anka afenyoma kin ene Annoh Dompre nkwasiafo ko mu dem bagana ni ye jiminti. You go into the communities and they'll be hailing such fools. You go to parliament and Alban Bagbin will be protecting these criminals. These criminals, Alban Bagbin will be sitting there and protecting them because they'll give him money to go and take care of himself in Europe, in Dubai, to take care of his sickness. These are the foolish people we call honorable in Ghana. How did this thing become an honorable person? How did Annoh Dompre become an honorable member of parliament? And they will sit here and the taxpayer will take money and go and say, I am paying to the government to take care of Annoh Dompre kwasiawe. How did we get here? So that is why I keep telling you people, I don't use that word called honorable. Me, I don't use it because 90% of Omomudi MPP in parliament, they don't reason. It is all about power. Say a credible say, and that is the same footprint Ekufuado Ejatuo. They follow the Kufuado footprint. Mukai 2016. Nana Addo Dankwa Kufuado. Kwame Sefakan Edenetina Peace FM and they Ghana youth to say they should go out there and turn the country upside down. The Arab Spring. Do you remember? Nana Addo Dankwa Kufuado did not get any example. Time na 2016 elections, emwaye dindingi emwaye huno. Ekufuado kwasi ampeyi wa waisa chichidie na onamhono. He went on Peace FM. Kwame Sefakan sat there and allowed this achichidia ebetunashe high sense fridge to spill nonsense. Senya Ghana for the nyansa and Ekufuado kwasi ampeyi drug addict way and kosei krono. The same thing they are learning. The moment they are out of power, they have to make sure the country goes down. And this is what we have been entertaining for long. A better point to be so anu biem. We need to kill this kind of attitude. We need to stop this kind of nonsense in Ghana before it gets out of hand. Because young people are listening. Asema kwa weko jina okayi. Senka NDCDB echem. Ome we na NDCDB kodo bikuta sekenya. Anko beku NDCDB no. Because Annoh Dompre say. Yebe fuomu hano. Yebe ni mbekasa no. MPP NDC for so mubeku ye. So odi bibi tu inkofori trim. So musunko diewu. How can you do that? Into ujide fuomu wakasa no. Ubedru fie. Naso biya kutreja to. Ufie ashwa yire na oma. Are you going to scream? Are you going to say we are inciting people against you? In conform who in Sawadu 2024 elections, San conform anagi who kumasino, some ko war, no mutreja tum, no muku yirene. Are you going to say those people? Because almost make us say, one now ye MP, you incited the violence. During the election, it was you. So should we tell those people who also got hurt during the election 2024, in Sawadu say they should also go and attack your family? They should go and burn your house. They should go and attack your wife and your kids. When you are not around, they should find a way, do Molotov cocktail and throw it into your house. Are you supposed to tell those people? Because there are people in your constituency, Annoh Dompre, during the election, all the police, the soldiers, brutalized your man. Some of them died. So are we also supposed to tell them, say, you Annoh Dompre, it will be a course, so 2024, it was you, your government was in power. You were in charge of the security in your constituency, and that you killed those people. So should we incite them to also go after your children and your wife? Are you stupid? I am Jimmy Anna. I am just everything is about politics, Anna. I am who Obia say if you people don't have power, everything should go down. I don't know NPP for more Jimmy Sa. Now they be able say the so-called Asofo more Ghana, the statesmen, Kofo, what is answer some way, Ottawa, Obama mo Jimmy Omuwa could do point to be no Ababa just yanko to mama about Umian media so, Nankwasiafo we media so. Jay Kofo Tiabronsan so, or te people so. En kwasi some NPP for dini nyina this kind of state otini nyina JA ko 40 bibia Michael Kwe ti bibia Hakam na uso ajima mu ti bibia. They sit there for these young boys in the NPP to incite the people against citizens, incite other people against Uncle Four. Then they sit there and later almost free people also Abetra wiche maka just yanko tuma baumia na baumia kwa siampe embe Annoh Dompre as a minister en kwa siasemu ya TV way. So there are no moral rights again in Ghana. Yati Ghana nyansani ni Ghana biem penyini tumi nkasa biem. We cannot make sure the law applies in just say yanfo nkwa na imrani ndi omo. How can you make such a statement as a member of parliament?
And now me bay NDC former sending messages when jadi omu ya na edokumu when jadi omu ya enu betra manu. And I say, Yenjai and Enjai or China. NDC former sending messages. When Jadi Omuyane Dokumu, when Jadi Omuya better man. And I say, Yenjai and Enjai or China.
This is where we are as a nation. How did we get here? And there are people sitting on social media, sitting on radio, sitting on TV, talking for the NPP to come to power. And Kwasiafo. Na kwasi ampenyi we obabi tuo ewo insawoma so adwejire election 2024 yanka ho asem kran wie because of this guy somebody died at Insawam. Annoh Dompre, the family of that woman, the family members of that woman, tonight they can also decide to use Afejo Markins Annoh Dompre's wife and his children as something they call revenge. That's what I would say. Anaji Menoka say in Sawam in Conform 2024 elections now. Wo party for Kuomo, Sebio Omia Ghana for no. Anaji almost bet to turning around, almost gets on a Guomo. Are they supposed to also say you killed them? A lady was shot dead. You were in power. You were in control of the military. You were in control of the police. In Anaji, so Kumasia, should we direct the people who are angry to also jump your house or put a Molotov cocktail together and throw into your house? Should we do that? Kwasia. You act like a silly child. You're a silly child and not wofu. Another Dompre's guard, the bodyguard, shot a woman at Insawoma Dweje. He shot the woman. He killed the woman. Annoh Dompre, you are in parliament with less than 300 votes. Kwasia, you are inciting citizens against citizens. And I'm very disappointed in the CID boss. Very disappointed in the IGP. And can be the general social media can't say and come the shame the mrika unnecessary work and unnecessary noise. Very disappointed in the CID boss. Very disappointed in the IGP. Come deny I am there. And didn't you hear? When are you going to invite Annoh Dompre to come and tell you and show you who threatened him? For evidence, the CID boss is sitting there smiling. The IGP is sitting there with his gang of fake journalists protecting him at the headquarters. You people didn't hear this, right? Yet to Chroma and Amobekan kwase some chair say, Obia can be on TV so, Obia can be on Facebook, and kwase some bekachemo, Mubedu Mukwase police. And Kwasiasama, I will send to you the CID boss. And Kwasiasama, I will send to you the IGP. You will be shocked to say obey your police. Now, Annoh Dompre, he needs to come to the police and show us with proof who in the NDC told him that they will kill him. I didn't Kwasiasama no. Ede o man na mo budi said ye mmoa na gum. Emra ni man ni mu ana. Ada emra na di ahiafo nko a. Ada emra no obo mu ni sika nko na de emra ni di omo. Ede nkwasia police ni edi na Ghana no. Ede nkwasia security system no. Ede nkwasia selective kind of yachiwe no. Annoh Dompre, he needs to come to police and prove to us. NDC ni ben the threaten no. When the car so bekuno specific NDC ni or NDC for no, he should come and show us. Ede nkwasia asem no. Moto to Ghana, most of them police headquarters on kwasi asem nko a. You don't look at the real issues. Echiro hia ni bia nko wi akokọ. Na mo be gina be press conference tin. Number the pictures about to war. Money am dey per credit. The real issues come there, you start to hide. The CID boss and the IGP. You people have become some kind of, I like this one, I don't like this one. This is my friend, this is not my friend. If you people are not ready, get the head out of the office. Annoh Dompre needs to come. Your credibility is on the line, the CID boss, the IGP, you people, your credibility is on the line. Annoh Dompre needs to come and prove which NDC person said he will kill him. Adiam kwasi akroni atiti musano. Obia sura no boom raso in the name of politics. Obia sura no oye de ope in the name of politics. All because oye NPP ni or ye MPT yen kanasem. Manka small boy bi kokasa asem we. Anka ye be press conference at the police headquarters. I'm here, Ochinamaba. And this week I will see say the CID and the police ombeto musafra Annoh Dompre. We are here. And nyamemwa na mamam freno. But say, I'm sending this message to the CID boss. I'm sending this to the IGP himself. Nyamemwa mo na mamam fre Annoh Dompre. We want to see this on camera. We want to see a statement from the Ghana Police Service. Annoh Dompre needs to come and prove to us. He's a member of parliament. His words cannot be taken lightly. The CID boss needs to release a statement that they are inviting Annoh Dompre to come and prove beyond reasonable doubt with evidence that the NDC people were threatening to kill him. If the CID boss fails to do this, if the IGP fails to do this, you people will not love your job again. You will be my enemies. I'm telling you people. Now, let's slow down a little bit. Na yeti krom ha calculation kakra. Heat kakra. Calculation kakra. Heat kakra. Na yeti ana Mahmoud Bawumia ka say oye the digital man. And I'm brebi okojina Kotoka International Airport say or the iPad bia besi Kotoka iPad oboboa wo. Sa contract no ni nua bear manager sa contract no $700 million. 700 million cedis, I think so, right? And Bawumia said before election 2024, Okojina Kotoka International Airport say, or the new technology be abba Kotoka International Airport. Na facial recognition. Udua umia iPad biswa na gate ne bia maun na ohwa Ghana card ko nim ne ti kromo ha na Bawumia. Okojina Kotoka mo hwa Bawumia burafi enkwase ade Bawumia ne Ghana ha de. Ono angaze kojina na afi na ade mbie. Bawumia de wogu nwani mase o. Bawumia anka Bawumia onya nipa makaje so ye no Russia or a robot o. Omo update 6 months bia. Every 6 months omo update Bawumia. Okachire say ono or a digital man and odu Kotoka or the vice president head of economic management team yentu abamano or the iPad okoto iPad wa China $13 iPad etono $1.33 no also on authority $13 or the beji Ghana for $400,000 per one NSCAT and also the basic Kotoka International Airport na sa iPad no udruwa facial recognition ehun sunsun pene ni ebie eni bie pe na wo nsa etarepe na the Ghana card kan na acheck bibia na wawurum Bawumia for the Ghana card and oye ofa the buta huhuru nanim tata na wedi eye wache intina wache still ni bia keka na no ho intina nanim ayi fin and ode buta ode sensor bi gu ni se na huhuru nanim se na be ya wache still na keka na no ho no ema facial recognition machine no enye confused into the buta ebu nsuo ehuhuru nanim ehuhuru wache bini na nanam na no ho no and also okwa kire wo Kotoka International Airport Bawumia duwa machine anya dwuma we 2024 akwa week
Yeah, it's possible. That's my question. It's possible. Yeah, it's possible. That's my question. It's possible.
Wait, Accra International Airport. Or see E-Gate. Or no abegina on E-Gate na detecting so edipa. But we say Kantanka na ye no. Or in around 1960 ho baby. Na any project work. Mahamudu. Where Accra International Airport 2024. The Accra International Airport. In California Airport no. And one about Omiako Jina is or E-Gate, Accra International Airport. Because Baumia nipa moja jina ni mua system need to be picking no. Kantanka na ye Baumia 62 ho baby no ye no. Na any project work or Germany. Now say Kantanka or University of Germany or school of Germany. And or ye Baumia na any project work. Baumia nipa. Kwasi asem we nyina yatena wo. And this is some of the big Baumia the embarrassment in the door swama the biggest. This is the whole vice president wanting us to vote for him in 2024 to become the president of the republic, telling us that he is a digital man. A digital man stands in front of digitalization, and digitalization tells him you are not human. Kantanka ne Modi Ayaba Omia 1962 thereabout. Na any project work with school. Oye Baumia wie no and already see them say or school aba. Mama chiro Baumia history. Kantaka oye Baumia wie no Germany any project work 1962 March baby. Na and then the last project work and son o move aba Ghana. Kantanka, the great Kantanka. The man nyina adwasafo na bodam. Kantanka ye Baumia wie no didn't see them no cause or that time na wa wuni masantifo yaba. Young boy awaba school e Germany. And or Baumia see them. And mistake a Kantanka and say, na battery na share the tuno, your baby press it on and off. Ni refi no ho. Na battery just say we never ko enyi fully. And oya day or the two on. Into no you say or charge it. Baumia Kantanka ne Modi no 62 March. Ye nim ni nyina. And a Kantanka jan ho ni hoster was or kwaba. Into na Baumia trade down. Ni tise kodu and na trade down. Satam kwabo na woni say Baumia Kantanka ye no na enwini na no ho. Say or this guy sin ho no na Samira guys on fa nwingu na no ho. Enwini na wana no anya original. Enti Kantanka pie ye no. Omodi Baumia wie na opie ye no. Na Baumia treda no ho prototype. Na eye robot no slide kakra na ebetena battery no so na so ye kiki. Na Kantanka ni ho. Eho na Kantanka hu Baumia biem otisi krom na cha Russia for chain na de ko ye ko update ye. Baumia nya nipa maka kire mo nim nyansa ye de kikire man. Na ye de na wo ka so ye digital man, wo di E-Gate aba, wa ye budget, wa ko gina, wa hohoro to ko gina Accra International Airport. Ama Ghana fo nyina ma wiase be gina ho. E-Gate na nya adwuma, wo na wo ka kire so ye digital man, ye ma president ndi ofui.
Yeah, it's possible. That's my question. It's possible.
When I near to In 1962 March, the same time I hear box iron no, that time na the manufacture Baumia. Intimidate me date them and get it wrong. Go. The same time I hear 1962 box iron, that year now, omo invent you know. The same year I can tank mo a year Baumia. Into Baumia de. Into a Pia Bontino, every can tank a hostel hono, and on inam crum, and I kink. Nana, Papa Bisuti or your friend Scoffneck, no a Russian, no so a lecturer. Into no can tank a mo block and so, and who Baumia skin. And or the bottle because Russia for them is smart. Omu usa idea way, omu to the Juma or Africa. Eti papa ne the bottle e wura ba omia no chichere and or the kotu fie no yi battery no de call Russia. And ko update ye. Enti ko no yi battery no baako. And afia mu bia di trim and afia omo so soye. Enti o se ba omia or hwa na osre ete se Turkey. Because adia omo de because na ba omia because kantanka e de steel metal ye nti. Na ama ne joint na ayedin inti na papa no so na opese ode call Russia no because ode ba omi ahye bottom ena ba omi so ne de dade na aye inti na ohun se ne onfa nko because na body na ayedin ontumi ena ode na owo turkey oil eye chofi anwa no ene na ode ye ho ode gugu ba omi joint na man ene gina ba omi osre ada de turkey o se ba omi asre a ana mafo se adentina ba omi osre te se turkey or set is a crocodile because the crocodile and a good joint no and a maba to me one share bottom de call Russia. Bibuana Montiasia, and this I wish about Umia Pana say, sometimes we steady said the Austria. I never say, and until Austrasano, it is because Papa didn't call Russia, not always on your own one about Umia, because on the body my day, not that dear no, and or they take a tail and want to be a Guguba Umia joint. Into the Guguba Umia joint, no, and no name about Umia, almost to me one share about anything Austria or set is a take it. Oh, say, oh, Minyan come to see and be better. I was oh, Kevin, ampa. Enti ba omi ankasa no ono onye nipa ohwa ebi ni ha ma me chiro ba omi history onye nipa where oh I was going to show you something about me chiro se na ba omi otie enti mama obi anjuni se ba omi nipa na we die o nipa obeboa Ghana o Turkey anwa na wodi trim message do you have ba omi's laughter me de chiro mo ya kasema na mumu bi mu yankasa na ba omia be di president ya matakite be di president ba omia kantanka ye no na ono no onye nipa no ba omia na ono onye nipa no me pese me kire me says do you have ba omia's laughter me pese me kire ade ansa na makobenim enye Friday asem me kire mu bibi ye delete ba omia ya Turkey ya de Turkey anwa na gu ye di gu no joint no mo de call Russia no ko update no me peba omi asire ba kwa kiremo I want to say anti no city se krokuku no it is not because ebia onim de oyu natural about him or a krokuku ba omi a turkey Messiah, you find one turkey for me find ba omi turkey laptop for me na me fan kiremo me dem come in Messiah, I'm moving forward ba omi a krokuku ba omi a enitina okọ landina ni classmate for ni bi friend keba omi Kroko ba omia kroko na kwa wedding am Ghana so made president ba omia o made president kroko when made president Mr. Espa be say I want to move but I want to show Ghanaians ba omia sire ni bi na wo hu sibia mo hu se ba omia nkasa no wait mama show
when it comes to GDP growth rates perform better renewal of energy efficiency of interoperability, digital. You will recall that I stated in 2014 that if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. That was true then. That was true then, and it is true now. It is 100% correct. So if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. But it is warped logic to jump from that to a conclusion that if there is depreciation in your currency, then the fundamentals must be weak. Do you understand the logic? It is very warped logic. If the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. But if the exchange rate moves, you cannot jump to that conclusion that the fundamentals are weak. That defies logic. That defies logic.
Wait, oye krokokoko onye nipa. Onye nipa makachram ay mo me anye show no. Ba omia na wo omia se anye no onye nipa. Me akachram so akoro onye nipa. All right.
The NPP cannot be underestimated.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Owusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahin, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,